Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your profile picture on Gmail using your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, log in if you haven't already. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your current profile picture, or a placeholder icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a menu will drop down. Here, you'll want to select the option that says Manage your Google account. This will open a new tab with your Google account settings. In the new tab, focus on the left side of the screen, where you'll find several options. Click on Personal Information. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Personal Information section, scroll down until you see your profile picture. Click on the picture, and a pop-up window will appear. Now, it's time to change your profile picture. Click the Change button, and you'll be prompted to choose a new picture from your computer. Select the image you want to use and click Open. After that, click Next, and you'll see a preview of your new profile picture. If everything looks good, go ahead and select Save as Profile Picture. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Gmail profile picture. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.